Alright, Robert Lesko, and this is the end of the tutorial. As you can see, we got them all straightened up here. Everything looks good, no chips, so we're going to put that base plate back on. And hopefully in the video you can see where those line up perfectly. What that means is easier stringing for life. Does increase the sustain a little bit, I noticed. For some reason, when I was doing my prototype, it sounded like the guitar was a little bit louder with more resonance. Then I put them in for a fellow, and I can honestly say I did not have that effect. But then I put another set in and I did. So maybe it has to do with the wood, the resonance of it, having that contact. It's not gonna hurt. And yeah, it's just a great thing for hardtail players to have. I'd like to think this is in the spirit of Leo because he listened to the players. And he has also started out as this small business guy. And that's why I'm hoping you see these videos. If you buy my product, if you like it, support this small guy. I am shopping these around. But today, with all the people that get involved, it's easy to get your ideas stolen, patented or not, and it's easy for people to go other places, rip your idea off. So I'm hoping this reaches enough people where, you know, you can say, hey, this is a small guy, he created a great product, let's keep him safe and support him. That would be my hope. Again, use sharp tools. Take your time. You can do anything. There's plenty of setup videos on the internet. I've watched a bunch of them. Some are kind of sketchy. So if you can, talk to a luthier, talk to a guitar tech, and then watch videos, and you'll be able to tell, hey, this guy is full of it. Hey, they're not. But yeah, rock on. Robert Lesko for the Lesko Ferrule tubes. See you later.